Are you tired of annoying ads while browsing the internet? Today, we are comparing two popular ad blockers, Ublock Origin and Adguard. Both tools help you enjoy a cleaner web experience by blocking ads and trackers. They aim to speed up your browsing and protect your privacy. But how do they differ? Let's start with Ublock Origin. This is a free open source tool that works as a browser extension. It's lightweight and uses less memory than many other blockers. uBlock Origin allows users to customize their filters, giving you control over what to block. It's known for its efficiency and is great for tech-savvy users. Now, let's look at AdGuard. This tool is available as both a browser extension and a standalone app. AdGuard offers a more user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to use. It also provides additional features like parental controls and a built-in VPN. AdGuard is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution. So, what are the key differences? uBlock Origin is free and focuses solely on blocking ads. Adguard, on the other hand, is more feature rich but comes with a price tag. If you want simplicity and customization, uBlock Origin is the way to go. If you prefer extra features and ease of use, Adguard might be better for you. When it comes to pricing, uBlock Origin is completely free. Adguard offers a free trial, but the full version requires a subscription. In conclusion, if you're looking for a straightforward ad blocker, choose uBlock Origin. If you want more features and don't mind paying, go for AdGuard. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.